Hello, this video is to demo the Mikro PFRNX to use with the NFC functions. Okay, with our smartphone, we have to turn on the NFC function. Okay, I scroll it down. Okay, I turn on the NFC functions. And then I have to locate the NFC chip on my phone. In this case, my phone is Huawei Mate 20. The NFC chip is located under the camera here. So I have to tape the chip to the NFC logo at the PFR here. So let me tap on it. Okay. The Mikro PFRNX apps is pulled up. This app is available to download in the Google Play Store. So now I have to open the apps. Now it says welcome and device type. I have to tap the phone to the PFR again, and then to check the device type, yeah, it comes up PFRNX. Okay, the model is correct. So I press the continue button. It shows up the main system here, the measurement systems. So okay, I check back on the main system. Okay, this is the main system. I press the button below on the bottom, turn it to green color, and then I tape the phone to the PFR again to read. Okay, now the reading is come out already on the measurements. It shows the power factor, voltage, current, frequency, THD, all the data is shown. Okay, these are the measurements. Okay, now let's take a look on the harmonics. Same, to read, I have to press the read button, turn it to green color, and then I tape the phone to the PFR. Okay, now the measurement reading is come out, is all 0%. Okay, this is how to use the PFRNX NFC functions to read the PFRs. So every time you want to read a measurements, you have to press the read button, turn it to green color, and then tap your phone to the PFR, and then the measurement will read out to your phones. Okay, so this is how to use the NFC functions on the PFR. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.